They're now realizing that they cannot compete, or they do not compare. For some of you, I feel as if these individuals want to be around you because they're still competing slyly. They're just thinking one more time. They just feel like if they get access to you, if they are around you, they can learn you, they can learn your habits, they can learn your plans, they can learn about what you're going to do next. And for some of you, they may try and do it before you, whatever that thing is. For others of you, they want to learn what you do in your day, etc. Your formula, the blueprint, basically. You know, for some of you, they want to do the same thing that you do. And they may have felt like, yes, you've got the skill, the talent, the look, the charisma, the star quality. But for some of you, not for all of you, you may not have the resources, the connections. Some of these individuals have got the connections and the resources. And still, they're not where they want to be. And they're going to witness you being successful. They're going to witness you gaining massive acclaim, achievement, victory, success. And these individuals are going to be desperate and very eager to be around you. These are clout chasers, yo. For some of you, these individuals are going to be so shocked. How did you do it? Yes, even though you were trying to slow me down in the background. I know you. I see you. That's what you're going to be thinking. You're going to hear, oh, I always knew that you was going to make it. Oh, congratulations. Really? When you were plotting for my downfall is what you're going to be thinking. But Spirit is going to make it be known. Your success is going to send out a message that regardless of the blockages, the pitfalls, the plots, the plans, the schemes, you will still reign supreme, my darling. You will still be victorious. It is in your birthright. Some of you are going to get a scholarship. Some of you are going to get a degree. I'm hearing masters for some of you. Some of you are going to own your own property. Some of you are going to live abroad. Some of you are going to be successful on screen. Some sort of creative talent that you possess is going to be exposed to the world. Some of you are going to win competitions. Some of you are going to go for auditions and you're going to get the role. Some of you are going to go viral. You're going to launch your online business. It's going to be successful. You're going to launch your online channel. It's going to be successful. Some of you will have a business. Create a franchise for some of you. Your skills and talents will be known. Some of you are going to straight out be famous, right? In your community, all over the world is what I'm hearing. This is the world card. You know, 2 and 1 is free. Number 3 is the third house. The third house is represented by Gemini. You know, the third house represents your neighborhood, your siblings. Some of you are going to be quite well known in your neighborhood. You could be doing charity work. You could be an advocate. You could be a community leader. You know, you may get a grant. You may get some type of huge social media following, because the third house also represents social media. Some of you may launch your own podcast and it is going to be successful. You are going to be in demand. These same people that didn't believe in you are going to want to be on your show when they see how your show grows. That wasn't supposed to rhyme, by the way, but yeah, let's take that. And these people are going to be in sorrow. Sorrow because they did not support you. Sorrow because their goals are not picking up. Meanwhile, your goals, your ideas are going to gain you profit. And these individuals, they are going to feel as if you are hard to access. Some of you may change your number. Some of you may have blocked this person or these people. Some of you may just be busy. To be quite blunt with you, I just feel you're going to be very busy. Busy and booked. Literally busy and booked. You're very multi-talented. You're going to be doing a lot of different shows for some of you. You know, you're going to be engaging with a lot of different people, connecting with people from all walks of life. You know, some of you could have contacts. And it's funny because for some of you, whoever these individuals were that are going to be very eager to be around you, they had contacts that could actually help you in whatever role that was that you are in. But they chose not to give you these contacts because they were fearful that you will, you know, be bigger than them. Some of these individuals, they could be in the public eye themselves, or they could be doing similar to what you do, or there was just a fear of if they help you, then you're going to catapult to some sort of superstardom. And they felt like your win was their loss. So they consciously harbored and held back on giving you enough help. But Spirit didn't want you to gain help from these individuals because that will mean, in their view, that you owe them. So as painful as it may seem with them sabotaging you in the past, it was a blessing because it taught you that you didn't need them. And the success and abundance that you're going to gain, even you're going to be shocked. You're going to generate that type of abundance whereby you can help the majority of your family, if not all of your family. Giving to charity. You're going to be taking flights, treating yourself to holidays, creating a business, generating more money, expanding. Some of you are going to be teaching others how they can expand financially through creating their own business. This is amazing. And these individuals are going to be thinking, why didn't I help them? I could have been collaborating with them. I could have been winning with them, because whatever they're working on, it's not going to pick up. You know, you invested in yourself, and these individuals chose to invest in things that were short term. For some of you, they chose not to invest in you when they could have. They really, literally could have helped you, but they chose not to. And now they're going to be on the outside looking in, looking at you winning. Now they're going to be feeling like they could have been winning with you. They'll be having financial issues. They'll be trying to learn your blueprint. They're going to be wanting some of your abundance, but they ain't got your mind. They ain't got your intelligence. They ain't got your skill. They ain't got your talent. And they wanted it this way. Maybe in the past they isolated you because they didn't believe in you. They didn't believe in who you would become. But the thing is, you believed in you. You kept that spark. You kept that self-belief. And now all eyes are going to see your talent. Your talent's going to be seen all over the world. Whatever they try to hide, whatever they try to dim, it's going to be seen. And they're going to see it too. You are going to reign supreme. You are going to be victorious. These individuals, they could belong to the same group, club, organization as you. You know, regardless of the fact, whoever these individuals are, they could be acquaintances, they could be old-time friends. They're going to be wanting to gather around you, because they're going to see how everyone's praising you. Oh my gosh, like, look, have you seen this? I know him, I know her. This is what you're going to be hearing. You're going to be like, excuse me, do I know you? You know, some of you anyway, but I feel like you're destined for success. And these individuals, they knew that you were destined for success, but they thought like, if I just slow them down, then they'll forget about themselves. They'll give up. No, you are a warrior, my darling. You are a king. You are a queen. You ain't going nowhere. And Spirit's going to have it so that these individuals see, they get a front row seat to see your victory. You are a star, and you're going to shine, and you're going to glow wherever you go. Be prepared for the fans or the stands. But keep your boundaries up. And remember who you are. You were always destined for great things. Always.